In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Windows Update error code 0xA00A005 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. Now, after running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to perform the System File Checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Simply type sfc space / scan now. sfc space / scan now. Hit Enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. Once completed, type exit in the command prompt window. Then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. And the last thing that we can do is to reset the Windows Update component. So go to the Windows search bar, type CMD, click Run as Administrator, click Yes. Copy these commands, which will be posted in the description box below. To reset the Windows Update components, Control V and hit Enter. Then type exit, hit enter, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.